Homework 6.2.2, problem number 37. It asks me to find the volume of the graph with y equals e to the x minus 1 as the equation around the x-axis, it says in there, where y equals 0, x equals 1, and x equals 2. So let's draw that graph here real quick. Oof, okay. Let's say 1 and then like 2 right there. And the graph roughly looks like that when you graph it on your graphing calculator, right? And so, in order to solve this, I need to use the disk method, and the disk method states that v equals pi times rx squared dx. And rx in this case is just e to the power of x minus 1. So, volume equals pi times b minus a, 2 over 1. Oh, oops, b minus a right there. A. Okay. E to the x minus 1 squared dx. And instead of just distributing this exponent can just multiply this exponent right here. So then this just equals pi times 2 over times the integral of 1 to 2 to 1 why did I do that? E to the 2 times x minus 1 dx. So now if I make u equal to x minus 1, then du it's gonna equal 1/2 du over dx, and then I try to get dx by itself, and then I'm left with 1/2 du equals dx. And so now I plug in. Now I'm just gonna take this right here separately and just solve for the integral of 1/2 e to the power u, and that e to the power u, the integral of that is just e to the power u still. So then you plug back in u, so then you get e. I'm going to put it back to 2 times x minus 1. 2 times x minus 1 over 2. And then I bring it back over here. Finally, I get I get this right here. E to the 2 times x minus 1 over 2 from 2 to 1. And when I plug in 2 into here, I should get e to the power 2 over 2. And then when I plug in 1, for the two parts, 2 minus 1 equals 1, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So, and then when I plug in 1 minus 1 equals 0. 0 times 2 is 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So then I get minus 1/2. And then when I combine those together and factor, I can simplify this down to this right here. So I got the pi times 1/2 times e to the power of 2 minus 1. But then I can simplify that further to my final answer, pi over 2 times e to the power of 2 minus 1. And that is my final answer.